Today I'm going to show you how a small accessory can save you $1,000. It's a small accessory that screws onto a regular garden hose in just a few seconds, turning it into a real water cannon, the Jetterix. In this video, I'll show you why this little nozzle alone replaces a pressure washer and why it might just become the most used tool in your home. Stick around until the end. I've got some great tips for you, and don't forget to subscribe. You'll find the manufacturer's official link in the description, with an exclusive YouTube discount, a satisfaction or your money-back guarantee, and fast, reliable customer support. So how does it work? The concept is brilliant. The Jetterix doesn't use any electricity, has no motor, no battery. Its nozzle concentrates the flow from your garden hose into a much more powerful and precise jet, up to 15 times the pressure of a regular stream. The water that used to trickle weakly out of your hose becomes a blast capable of blasting away caked-on dirt, moss, black streaks, and green buildup. And since the job gets done faster, you actually end up using less water than with a regular hose. Setup takes 3 steps. Screw the Jetterix onto any standard garden hose, lock the nozzle in place, turn on the water. That's it. No outlet to hunt down, no 40-pound machine to haul out of the garage, no 50-page manual. It fits in one hand, stores in a drawer, and even an older person or someone with back pain can use it effortlessly. Several spray modes are available: a concentrated jet for stubborn grime, a wider spray for rinsing without streaks. The list of things you can clean with the Jetterix is nearly endless. That moss-covered driveway comes back to life in a single pass, slab by slab. The patio regains its original color. The pool you're prepping for summer. Walls, floor, waterline, all get a deep clean before opening day. Washing the car becomes quick work. The precise jet digs mud out of the wheels and wheel wells, while the wide mode rinses the body without leaving marks. Shutters, siding, fences, patio furniture, trash cans, the grill, tools, even a mud-covered tractor. One single accessory for every outdoor cleaning job around the house. It works on concrete, wood, tile, brick, vinyl, and needs no harsh chemicals. The pressure does all the work, without damaging surfaces. Let's talk numbers, because that's usually where it all comes down. A standard pressure washer easily costs several $100s, takes up space, and too often ends up gathering dust in the garage. Hiring a cleaning service is even worse. For a driveway and a patio, the bill quickly climbs to several $100s a year. The Jetterix, on the other hand, costs less than a tank of gas, and with the discount from the official link, it's just a fraction of that price. Thousands of customers have already made the switch, with an average rating of 4.7 out of 5, and 97% of buyers say they'd recommend it to a friend. Many share the same story: years of grime gone in minutes, a pain-free back, and hundreds of dollars saved in the very first season. At the end of the day, the Jetterix doesn't promise miracles. It does one thing, and it does it well: turning the hose you already own into a serious cleaning tool with no electricity, no maintenance, and no effort required. Your driveway, your patio, your car, and your pool will thank you. If you want to try the Jetterix, be sure to use the manufacturer's official link in the description of this video. Subscribe and see you soon.